Hello guys, let's talk about the three triangles that controls everything that you create with a camera. So we all know, you've been hearing this over and over again: the ISO, the aperture or f-stop, and the shutter speed. So these three things controls everything that you create using a camera, a digital camera. And currently we have some phones also having these options. So what's an ISO? The ISO is the amount of light that you allow to hit your camera sensor. So the ISO is basically for allowing light into your camera. The f-stop is for the depth of field. The depth of field basically means what is in focus. Is everything in focus or just an object in focus? That's the depth of field, and that's what the aperture is for. And when we come to the shutter speed controls the motion blur that you have in your videos. Get these things right and you will get a nice video or a picture.